Alright, hello ladies and gentlemen, Iguana Exterminators here. We're headed out to Oakland Park right now. There's some folks out here who have a pretty serious iguana problem. They showed me a picture of it earlier. There was over a dozen iguanas on their roof yesterday evening. So they contacted us. We told them we'd be more than glad to go over there and take care of the situation. So we're on the way over there with our trusty pellet gun, and we're going to see what we can do about that. Let's go for the ride. Let's see what we can get. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are out here on site. It's a little bit windy out here, so hopefully it's not going to mess up the audio too much. But these guys have a serious problem up here. Let's see if we can turn it around. Okay, on the house with the white car, can you see how many iguanas are on that roof? It's insane. I mean, this is like the holy solstice of iguana. Yep, the holy solstice of iguana sun worship. We're here to take them out. You guys ready? Let's go. Alright folks, we're going to be using the truck as a bench rest. Let's go to work. Wow, look at them all. One down. Two down. Three down. I see him. Ladies and gentlemen, is how we exterminate iguanas. Iguana Exterminators. We get our iguanas. Wow. Is that another one? Oh no, that's over there. Wind's blowing really hard. That one was hiding. Playing possum. Alright guys, let's go get the ladder and see how many we got. Actually folks, I ended up taking out just about 3 more right here off the roof that popped up, so I'm gonna go swing around the backyard before we get the ladder, see if there's any other stragglers. Night night. I see another one. Guys, I'm not seeing some of those iguanas I know are hit hard on this side of the roof. It's making me wonder if they're not inside of the tiles. We'll find out, I guess. Oh, there's one of them. let's go get the ladder. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Iguana Exterminators, we're pretty much finished up for the day here. Wanted to show you the haul that we got. Glad we caught this guy to, you know, say, hey, you know what? I said, if I saw 4 out here earlier today, I said, I think it's probably safe if you contracted for at least 15. He's like, wow, really? And I'm like, yeah, usually when you see 1, there's at least 5 where you're not. Yeah, those are pretty much about the ratios we're talking about here, because as we can see here, guys, Iguana Exterminators in action. 15 right off the bat. And you guys got to see them all. Alright. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Hope the summer's being good to you. If you kiteboard, stay safe.